Moin Moin aus Hamburg, wir sind wieder hier am Rathausmarkt im Cap-and-Side Videostudio. Heute zu Gast ist Rowan Francis von TAMAC Asset Management. Rowan ist verantwortlich für das Asset Management bei TAMAC und wir werden uns heute das Thema China wieder näher bringen. Rowan, thanks a lot that you're here in Hamburg again and yeah, welcome.
Thank you, Henrik.
Rowan, today again the focus is on the topic China. We will have a closer look on the trends and economic trends in China and also have a deeper look on the ESG part of China because it's getting more and more important for some investors. So first question is how is at the moment the economic and social situation in China?
Okay, so for China at the moment it's a very different picture to what we saw 12 months ago. And really quite different to most of the rest of the world. So growth was looked very good at the start of last year. It's come down a lot, so the outlook for economic growth has deteriorated into this year. What's happened is the Chinese Central Bank and authorities have acted to start cutting interest rates. They've extended tax cuts. They have eased liquidity conditions, and they've only just started that. So obviously that is in very stark contrast to the rest of the world where we're just coming into 2022 and interest rates outlook going up and liquidity conditions are becoming tighter. So what China saw 12 months ago, the rest of the world is seeing now. Chinese equity markets had a correction then. We think this year looks much better because the supportive financial conditions are back on. So China is focused on growth and focused on increasing liquidity and supporting that growth outlook.
Yeah, for the most of investors and also our listeners is the ESG topic more and more important also for the clients. How is the development on that side in China?
Okay, so ESG for us as a firm, like many others, is obviously very crucial, not just socially because it's good, but also we think if you're investing in companies that have the right criteria from an ESG perspective, you make better money over time. A good quality business is run well and is socially conscious and therefore will make more money. In China, that's the same case. So we try and focus on companies that where we do take into account ESG criteria within our investment process. Where China differs slightly from some of our other portfolios is how easy it is to construct a high quality growth portfolio in China while still fulfilling all the same criteria that we would in a developed nation company. China's quite far ahead on a lot of issues when it comes to environmental protection. They're trying to cut their emissions by 2060. They want to have carbon neutral. So there's a very big push on the environmental aspects. They were one of the first countries that allowed environmental reports or stipulated that companies issue environmental reports. So there is a lot of information available, but perhaps in certain areas, the quality of that information is not quite the same as you would see in developed nations.
So in general, what you would say that for investors, it is suitable for ESG investors, China?
Yeah, I think you have opportunities enough by focusing on ESG still in China. And I think that's just going to continue to improve. And as I say, for us, you want to invest in those companies that are very socially conscious and environmentally protecting because in the end, they'll also help you buy the better businesses or invest in those better businesses.
Perfect. These are good insights in terms of the ESG. Thank you again. And yeah, we will see Rowan in another video the next time. Have a good day. Bye.